Are you a C-level executive looking to automate and centralize business processes? Most business owners realize the importance of investing in new technology to foster their business ecosystem, but they're often overwhelmed with the abundance of technology solutions available in the market today. Do I opt for an ERP system, maybe a CRM system, or both? What software vendor should I choose? What add-ons should I buy? What additional services should I integrate to make my business management solution secure and cohesive? All these questions are at the cusp of any technological revamp. As leading technology advisors, AlphaBOLD has years of experience customizing, implementing, and building solutions for companies of all sizes across the globe. From Microsoft Technologies to Oracle and Google Cloud, our vast experience empowers us to provide unparalleled services across CRM, ERP, DevOps, artificial intelligence, business intelligence, and a host of other services. With multiple successful software revamps, customizations, implementations, and support services in our corner, we have crafted a unique methodology that allows us to provide unparalleled customer service success to our clientele. Our client portfolio spans across multiple industries, from manufacturing to healthcare to retail and security. We have got solutions for every problem. Our expertise and collective knowledge in various fields enables us to help our clients overcome the business challenges that they face today, tomorrow, or even in the future. We want to be your one-stop shop for IT consulting services. Reach out to us today and find out how we can help you.